So welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to solve the latest walkthrough called the malware classification on the platform TryHackMe. So before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video. So let's start. So here is the first one. It's complete. Then let's check the malware types. Malware types are adware, spyware, ransomware, wiper, C2, data stealer, keylogger, crypto miner. Okay, so I have already studied all of these. So let's start with questions. An employee reports that their system is low monitoring, showing constant high CPU. What is the malware type? Okay, so its answer is simple. Its answer is crypto miner. Okay, then second is user suddenly loses access. Okay, so it might be related to the ransomware as they have lost the access. The message appears demanding cryptocurrency. Okay, so it's simple one. Ransomware. Okay, third is user user's browser opens pop-up windows even when no site is loaded, no data appears to be stolen or encrypted. Okay, so it is simple. It's adware. Okay, the second is sensitive internal documents are found posted online. Okay, so it is data stealer. Why? Because internal documents are found posted online. Let's go with real world malware examples. Okay, so here is what is spyware, what is ransomware, third is wiper, and then data stealer. Okay, so I have already gone through this. Now we will go to the phishing campaign delivers malware that logs keystrokes, collects screenshots, and sends browser credentials to a external server. Okay, so I already gone through this. So the answer is Agent Tesla. Okay, an attacker sends a zero-click exploit. Okay, so zero-click exploit is a well-known exploit called a Pegasus. Okay, so ransomware family is known for stealing data and threatening to leak. If payment is not made, is Akira. Okay, then which malware targeted energy companies by overwriting files with junk data? Okay, it is also one famous one. Sham Shaun is correct answer. Okay, the fourth is binary versus the script malware. Binary malware is a executable based malware is typically delivered as compiled files. Okay, so I have already gone through all of this. So let's go with questions. What command tool? Oh, so command tool is simple PowerShell. Okay. Second is which file extension is commonly associated? .dll. Yes. Okay. So answer should be correct. Other than exe. Okay. The okay. Let's first go with third question. Malware types that is more likely to leave identifiable byte patterns used by antivirus software. Okay, it's the binary malware. Okay, so binary malware should be the answer. Binary. Wait, I will give it. No. Okay, so we will come here. Okay, so I think dot bat might be the answer. So we'll come here, copy this, reset this one, then give it. Let's hit enter. Yes, so it is the right answer. So in the case of the third, which malware type is more likely to suit? So I searched a bit on the Google and I found out that the answer is binaries. So let's check if this is correct answer. Okay, yes. So we were giving the answer binary, but the real answer is binaries. Okay, so good. So now we will go towards our practical. So here is the practical interactive exercise. Okay, so let's check suspicious process add service. So you know what is this adware. Second is okay unusual process. Okay, system update. So this might be a ransomware. So let's check. Okay, okay. So wait, it's correct. Sorry, it's incorrect. System updates exe clipboard data and reading local files. Shows regular uploads. Okay, so you know regular uploads. So let's check this one. Okay, so this also not correct. Okay, so what we will do, we will go towards our third one and then check large volume of file modification detected, file extension changed from doc to encrypted. Okay, so this is the ransomware. Let's check this one. Critical disk cleaner.exe executed with administrative privileges, rapid deletion and overwriting of user files observed. System recovery points and backups also erased within short time. Okay, so this might be a command and control. Let's check. Okay, so this is not. So disk cleaner. So this is not crypto miner. Add okay, not data share, not keylogger. Wiper malware might be answered. So yes, it is. So this checks outbound connection initiated by SUS host 32 to previously unseen external host port 443. Okay, detected every 30 minutes. No associate legitimate application found. So it might be a spyware. No, it is not a spyware. Okay, let's check adware. Okay, so it's not adware as well. So it might be okay. So we will move forward to next question and then check. Okay, a user process docmanage.exe accessed multiple sensitive files in the documents attempting to send large data. So data stealer might be the answer, and yes, it is. Suspicious DLL injection detected. Okay, process unauthorized API calls to keyboard input functions. Keyboard input functions. So this might be a keylogger as keyboard is involved. Okay, high CPU usage detected. Okay, so high CPU, crypto miner. Okay, we have it. Okay, we'll come here. Unusual process system update.exe. Okay, so let's check command and control. Okay, so no, two are remaining. Okay, outbound connection initiated. Okay, outbound connection initiated. Let's check. Yes, command and control. Here we go. The last one, system accessing clipboard data and reading local email files. Regular uploads. Okay, so we are seeing the regular uploads. So first try. Okay, it is not. Data still is not the answer, but the regular uploads meaning not, it's not ransomware command and control, not a crypto miner, external IP. Let's check command and control again. No, it is not. So it might be a spyware as it is sending some amount of data. Yes, it is. So this is our file. We have got our file. So before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, so here it is. So see you in next video. Thank you.